Pack, move, and unpack your furniture with extra care with our reliable, affordable services. Introducing 3 Movers Cheap Terrace local and long-distance movers near me. Getting a cheap Terrace moving company to help with your local or long-distance move doesn't have to be difficult. 3 Movers offers the efficient and affordable services you need to get to where you need to go. Our team will provide you with the help you need, whether you're moving across the country or just down the road. If you're ready to get the right long-distance moving services, we offer all of the following options: packing services, moving supplies, an on-time move, and upfront pricing. There are plenty of good reasons to hire a long-distance moving company. When you need to relocate more than 100 miles away, you need the right team. We can make it easier and help you get to where you need to go without all the hard work. If you're ready to hire a Canada moving company for your local move, you're making a smart decision. This type of moving company will help make sure you don't have to do all the heavy lifting for your local move. 3 Movers offers the right options to ensure your local move goes smoothly. We can handle even larger moves in a matter of hours instead of days. In addition to local and long-distance moving, our Terrace moving business offers extra services from which to choose, which includes commercial moving, international moving, furniture moving, residential moving, military moving, as well as packing and carrying. So, what are you waiting for? Request a free quote using our online request form.